10 years ago today, Kaley McGill came into this world, a moment of happiness and excitement despite the hardships that everyone knew she would face.
I have skeletal dysplasia and dwarfism, which means I'm a little person. So I have spent my whole pretty much life in the hospital.
More than 60 surgeries and procedures, countless days in the Children's Hospital of Colorado with staff and family.
We were scared, and you kind of get a little angry, like, you know, Tara's healthy, I'm healthy, why is this happening to us?
An outlook that changed throughout the years as the McGills watched their daughter thrive. A girl
So this is my CPAP.
who, despite her challenges,
If I do stop breathing, it like shoots air in my nose and it tells me to wake up.
doesn't ever seem to lose her joy.
I look like an elephant I sit on.
She's always just been happy. You see what she goes through and how she deals with it. She's really taught us a lot.
A zest for life that made its way into the kitchen by way of cupcakes that she'd bake and then pass around at fundraising events for the hospital. Events with important people watching.
We were just inspired.
People like Adam and his colleagues at King Soopers.
We were like, how do we help with this? How do we be a part of selling these cupcakes for us?
The grocery giant decided to carry Kaley's cupcakes in all of its 152 stores.
I was screaming because I was like, King Soopers wants me. And so I was just very excited.
From Kaley's kitchen to one with a few more bells and whistles, Kaley toured the King Soopers bakery before making the most important final decisions, like the flavor.
They're very chocolatey, but that's probably because they're chocolate.
The design.
Kind of just picked my favorite color because of it's pink. As of course in my room.
And 100% of the profits go back to the place that for Kaley has been a second home.
To have that personal experience with children's and to know that we've supported her along the way to become this wonderful, outgoing, compassionate individual that we were a part of her life is really special.
Special to see a girl seize an opportunity to give back.
Probably more than 1,000 people go to King Soopers and then they're going to buy them.
A chance for her to say thank you.
Children's hospitals, the hospitals that help me.
And for us,
go help them.
So you never know when you're going to need Children's Hospital.
To say it too.
They're good.